Let me show you all methods for capturing screenshots on Samsung Galaxy A57. So the main way to capture a screenshot is by simply using the combination of two buttons, the power button and the volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at once, you can easily capture a screenshot. We can also do a gesture screenshot, that is, we can swipe with our hand from left side to the right side of the phone or from the right side to the left side of the phone, so more or less it looks like this. And keep in mind that this gesture can be disabled, so if it doesn't work for you, then you can open the settings. Over here, go to advanced features, then we're gonna go to motions and gestures, and if you want to use that gesture, you want to make sure that palm swipe to capture is enabled. Besides that, while being in settings, you can also open accessibility, go to interaction and dexterity, and then you can enable assistant menu, which by default includes the screenshot button. So once you activate the assistant menu, once you pop it out, you should be able to tap on the screenshot button, and there we go, this works as well. And also we can use quick settings or the control center. By default, there is the screenshot button is not added, so we have to add it to quick settings panel in order to be able to use it. So you can tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner. I'm gonna actually remove this button so I can show you where it is. We're gonna use add a control option. We're gonna use it at the bottom of the screen. And then in here we should be able to find take a screenshot option. So you can either tap on that button in order to immediately add it to the list, or you can press and hold your finger and then you can drag and drop it anywhere. So let's say I'm gonna add it into this expandable area and I'm gonna tap on done. So now in here I can use this button in order to hide quick settings panel and take a screenshot. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.